Good afternoon, Mayor and Council. My name is Lisa Almaguer. I'm a retired municipal court administrator. I have 29 years of experience. I'm a certified court executive with the National Center for State Courts. I'm here today because I'm concerned about the same thing as a gentleman that came before you. Crime in Las Cruces is up. There's a reason for it. City is a home rule municipality. The purpose of that designation is to ensure maximum local self-government. Because of that, the city has a municipal court whose judge swore by oath to support the ordinances and laws of the municipality. Those laws are of concern to the local population, as evidenced by all the people that come in front of you telling you that. This is why there's ordinances of local concern. Things like indecent exposure, criminal trespass, shoplifting. Expecting local judges to impose sentences that influence lawful behavior is not unreasonable. The current judge asserts that holding repeat offenders who are a clear danger to Las Cruces residents is somehow inconsistent with state law. It is not. Whether an individual is homeless or not, we as citizens of Las Cruces expect them to abide the laws that we also follow. We expect our judges to adhere to their oaths and enforce that, and that's not happening. There's a reason our government was set up with 3 branches, and that purpose is for checks and balances. After fielding the numerous complaints that you do, it is the duty of this legislative branch of our local government to inquire and do something about the judicial branch and its lack of support for the ordinances of the city. The current judge has openly shown her bias against lawfulness when a person who's accused of being unlawful is homeless. She's told me personally that she will not jail any individual who is homeless, regardless of how many times they commit a crime. State law and the bail reform that was enacted does not say that homeless individuals cannot be given jail sentences. It says that anyone, including the homeless and the poor, cannot be held before trial under the condition of payment of any kind of money or bail. However, they can have conditions of release that must be adhered to stay released. The current judge refuses to do this to ensure safety and lawfulness in the city of Las Cruces. I'd also like to point out that in front of this council, Judge Goldbaum misrepresented that she was part of what she called a transparent process for a vacant municipal judge 2 position, when in fact that process was to review applicants for alternate judge positions, which are temporary hourly positions. Very different from what she was suggesting. The appointment of a full-time elected judge when there's a vacancy not aligned with an election is the sole discretion of this council. It's a very important duty, which is one of the many reasons that you as the council are elected. And since the current judge suggested that the council check the other judges' records prior to the appointment, I suggest that this council check her record to see if her findings and sentences for people are consistent with maximum local self-government, and that is shared with the public, because numbers don't lie. So why aren't numbers being shared? Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Ms. Almaguer. Okay, is there anyone else?